Let's walk through this thoughtfully designed 40 by 50 feet duplex residence, developed with a mandatory 2-foot offset on all sides to ensure proper ventilation, natural light, and maintenance access. Starting with the ground floor, we enter through a well-defined entrance foyer that creates a smooth transition from outdoor to indoor space. The front portion accommodates car parking, designed efficiently without disturbing the main circulation. Moving inside, the living room is positioned at the front, measuring approximately 15 by 14 feet. This placement allows for good natural light and creates a welcoming space for guests. Adjacent to the living area, we have a secondary foyer that connects the internal spaces more privately. Towards the center, a staircase is strategically placed to divide public and private zones while maintaining easy vertical circulation. The dining area is centrally located, directly connected to both the kitchen and family lounge, ensuring functional movement within the house. The kitchen, sized around 14 by 11 feet, is designed in a modern layout with efficient work triangles and is supported by a separate utility space for washing and storage. On the ground floor, we also have 2 bedrooms, each approximately 12 by 12 feet. These rooms are ideal for elders or guests, ensuring accessibility without the need to use stairs. A common bathroom and additional storage space enhance usability. At the rear, the family lounge opens towards a covered patio, creating a semi-outdoor living experience, perfect for relaxation and family gatherings. Now moving to the first floor. The upper floor is designed primarily for privacy and comfort. We are welcomed into a spacious sitting area, which acts as a family lounge for the upper level. One of the key highlights is the double-height opening, overlooking the lower floor, adding visual connectivity and a sense of openness. The master suite is generously sized at 15 by 14 feet and includes a walk-in closet and an attached bathroom, providing a premium living experience. Additional bedrooms are placed strategically to ensure privacy, each with proper ventilation and access to bathrooms. A dedicated home office is included, which is highly practical for modern work-from-home needs. There is also a media room that can be used for entertainment, study, or a multi-purpose activity space.